we want to find and classify all the critical points for this function f. Let's start by finding our first derivatives. So first derivative, since it's nicely spread out for us, separated, our first derivative here is going to be 3 plus 12x squared times y squared plus 2y. Fy is going to be 3x plus 4x cubed times 2y plus 2. Our second partials, fxx, is going to be derivative 3 is 0, so 24x times y squared plus 2y. Second derivative with respect to y, we've got a constant out front, so 3x plus 4x cubed. Derivative here is 2. And our cross derivative of this guy with respect to y, we've got 3 plus 12x squared times this derivative, it's 2y plus 2. Great. So now that we've got all of our derivatives, let's find our critical points. Critical points are where fx and fy are 0. So we're looking for 3 plus 12x squared times y squared plus 2y equals 0. Okay. Well, if we start here, we're going to find that this first term is always positive. And so here we're going to have y equals 0 or y equals -2. All right. So given that, let's look at fy equals 0. So that's going to be 3x plus 4x cubed times 2y plus 2. And we're going to plug in, we're going to start with y equals 0. Okay, so at y equals 0, we get, well, maybe we factor this first. So this is going to be x times 3 plus 4x squared times 2y plus 2. Okay. Now at y equals 0, we've got a positive 2 here. We're not going to be able to make this thing 0 because that's always positive, so that will tell us that x is equal to 0. When y is equal to -2, then we've got 2 times -2 is -4, plus 2 is -2 there. Again, this can never be 0. And so x is going to have to equal 0 for fy to equal 0. So our critical points are 0, 0, and 0, -2. Next, we need to figure out our d value. D is fxx, fyy minus fxy squared. So 24 times x times y squared plus 2y times fyy, that's 2 times 3x plus 4x cubed minus our cross derivative squared. So that's 3 plus 12x squared times 2y plus 2 squared. Okay, at 0, 0, we've got an x there, so this is all going to vanish. We've got 3 plus 0 squared is 9 plus 4. So the negative out here makes it less than 0. All right, so at 0, 0, we've got a saddle point. At x equals 0, y equals 2, again, we've got an x here, which makes this whole first term 0. X is 0, which makes this 9, negative 9, in fact. And then y equals negative 2. You get 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Squared is positive. So we've got 9 times 4, the negative here. So that's also less than 0. So this is also a saddle point. So we've got 2 saddle points and no extreme values.